Hey guys, happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you Benefit Cosmetics, the More the Merrier Advent Calendar. I'm super excited because I've never opened one of these before and I have no idea what's in it, but it is so exciting. This retails for $65 on their website. It has a $140 value. Here is the box that it comes with. It can also just be a box that you can use for anything, but it has 12 bestsellers inside this box, so let's get into it. It says laughter is the best cosmetic, which is true in my opinion. Here's some information on some of the products, and this is what it looks like on the inside. How exciting is this? Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with day one. We are doing this in order, so let's look at the packaging. Super cute Christmas packaging by Benefit, has Christmas wrapping paper, and it is the Benefit Roller Lash Eyeliner, which I personally never got to use or try out yet, but if you open it, you can see it kind of looks like a full-size tip, so that's exciting. Definitely going to use that. Day two, we have the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 3. It doesn't have a spoolie, but it is definitely perfect for traveling with if you need to fix your eyebrows. I definitely use that for everyday or bolder looks. But this is next. It is the Theyre Real Mascara. It's a definite classic of Benefit. Try it out. Day four, we have the Benefit OG Professional. Smooths out your fine lines, perfect for underneath makeup. And then we have next the Roller Lash, which is another mascara, which is my go-to when I want to use false lashes or it is just amazing. You can use it for natural looking, for also layering it. And then we have the Gimme Brow, which is also in shade 3, and day 7. We have one of my favorites of all time. I don't talk about this enough, but it's a travel size Hula bronzer. You can use this on your eyes or face. It's perfection for any skin tone. I would say universally. Day 8, we have the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, which I would say is perfect for like those who love voluminous, lengthy, almost spider-like lashes, which is another way to make your lashes pop. And next we have the 24-hour brow setter, which is amazing. Day 10, we have, let's see here, the Dandelion Blush Travel Size, which smells so clean and floral and is also amazing. And it's a pink that is perfect for spring, which is next. Then we have the Hydrating Professional for dry skin girls like me. So perfect gift for anyone if you want to smooth out your lines, but you also have dry skin. And last but not least, we have 12, the last day in this cute little box. I am so impressed with this cute combination of little minis that are so helpful if you are traveling. And it is the Magnet Mascara, which I believe is their latest one, and I believe that is perfect, especially when you're binding your lashes to your false lashes. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.